Volvo XC40 comes with a number of slots or places where you can put credit cards or business cards. We have two on the left of the steering wheel. You can easily pull them out and reinsert them back. There is one in the central console over the wireless charger. You can pull it out like this and reinsert it back in place. There is one card holder inside the glove box as well on this side. And we have two card holders inside our sun visors. Please keep in mind that some of these cards may be visible from the outside, so if you end up being parked in a bad area, for example, your car may get broken into if bad guys see some of these cards. It's a good idea to take them with you.